we have some thistles or thorn bushes or pricklies in the front yard, whatever term you're familiar with. We're going to use the BioSafe weed control, weed and grass killer for organic gardening. They have a coupon code that'll be on the bottom of the screen if you'd like to purchase. They have additional things other than just weed killer. They have some cleaning products as well, and you look through the whole line of products. So they are a sponsor of our radio show here, Garden Talk radio show in Milwaukee. So we're going to take, and based on what you are using it for, there's different applicational rates based on the size of the plant, so you keep that in mind. They've got a measuring device here, 1 fluid ounce, and then you're going to take and get it to that. I'm using a 1 quart, well, about 24 ounces bottle here with a spray nozzle, and you can put this in any type of sprayer. So we want to first follow instructions, which means we're going to fill the container half full with water. Then, for this application, I need to apply 1. And then I know how much more I need here. All right. Then we'll top the bottle off the rest of the way. Then we'll head up to the front yard and take a look at and applying this BioSafe to kill some of these weeds. All right, the grass has been mowed, but we're going to apply. You can see it's got like a bubbly foam here, which is good, so you can see where you sprayed it. So we're going to give a nice application. Now I've also got some of those thistles in this bed here that's got some height. So I'm just going to coat them down nice, give them a nice little coat. So I'm just going to hit all of these weeds in this bed to show what it can do. Because it is a non-selective herbicide, so it's going to kill anything it comes in contact with. 30 minutes after application, you can see the leaves are starting to change color. You can see that one's starting to brown up pretty good. See the changing of the color of the leaves there. There's some more. So it's just been about 1 hour and 45 minutes after application, and the thistles in the front yard, you can see a tremendous difference pre and post application. In the garden bed, you can see the discoloration and the wilting of the leaves of the thistles as well as the grasses there. Now, does the BioSafe weed control work? Absolutely. Does it make a difference whether you're applying it in full sun or partial shade? It appears to. Does it make a difference on how large the plant is? Yes, and obviously with the ratio in which I had put in the spray bottle, the application was a little on the weaker side, so it does matter based on the size of plants, whether they're 1 inch or 1 to 3 or etc. on. So BioSafe is a non-selective herbicide like I spoke about, and it will kill anything it comes in contact with. As you see in the front yard, the thistles, this has been 3 days since application, and it's been nice and hot and sunny those days prior, following the application. So it makes a big difference, as well as in this bed here. So the BioSafe, you can use it with a hand sprayer, you can get a pump sprayer, and what I've done here, this is the back side of the large garden. I've hit this with the BioSafe with the recommended applicational rate that comes on the bottle. And if I missed some, I can just come back and hit it. And it seems to work very, very well. The hot sun hitting this, it really affects the plants. If you're in like a cool, dry, shady area, it doesn't take effect that quickly. But the thistles and everything works really well. You got grasses, and I've just gone through and I hit the places where I've missed. But this really, since our soil is nice and fertile and loose, we don't have to go in and till it. I can just hit the weeds on top, and then with our mulch here, I can move back the mulch and then plant directly in the garden. Give it a day or two, make sure all the plant life, the vegetation is killed. But BioSafe, it works really, really well. You get the coupon code that they have available for you. And also they do have other things available besides just the weed killer on their website. But this works very, very well. We can just go through. It's designed for organic gardening like I've talked about. And we just hit the spots that need to be killed back. It's better than the chemical-based weed killers that you get at the big box store. Again, you may have to apply based on the size of the plant. You need to follow that recipe, because the larger plants you're going to need to make a stronger mix with the concentrate. Now this bed here, we've got cabbage that we've got planted. Now obviously I can't spray the whole bed, but with you know, specific with this nozzle here, or your pump hand sprayer, I can just hit the little areas here and it not affect the cabbage or other plant life that I've got growing. I can get right up to the plant, touch it up, like there's a thistle there, get real close, because this will kill anything that it hits. So it works really well, and I don't have to worry about it affecting the soil life. Just going to kill the plants and just touch these up here. Works really well whether you're in a bed that's got stuff planted, like over here I got tomatoes, I got some grass there, some weeds there, touch it there. Just go ahead and apply it wherever. Works really, really well.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.